Njani lonke, mina ibizo lami kuthiwa nguMadinda Ndlovu. Abengibiza ukuthi Khathazile. I don't know ukuthi nabambiza Khathazile beboneni, but I'm here to speak. Mina ngizahlanganisa lezi ndlela lesiphiwo. I-Highlander le it's a very big institution, and to me ukuthi befikise 100 years, it's actually a very good thing, ngoba singakhangela ukuthi Highlanders isihambe indlela rough njani, and kuyajabulisa ukuthi khona i-Highlanders celebrate 100 years, so kumele sijabulele ngokuningi. Kudala sadlala thina, sasithi ungagcwalanga i-BF lapha, i-atmosphere yabe ingamnandi, and normally singahlala lama-teams anjengabo Zimbabwe Saints, labo Dynamos, uthi ubone i-atmosphere yangikhona right from Monday ukuthi this weekend kule game enkulu ekhona. So that inspired us ukuthi sibone ama-supporters endleleni engahlangana nawo lapho bekhuluma ngegame ye-weekend. That inspired us. Before sike celebrate i-60 years Baba uNdumiso Gumede. So those are the things that we at times think about when we are celebrating this kind of celebrations. We always think of memories that have happened while in us. At one stage, we're traveling, must travel, so you will see what kind of nationality travel, because there was a lot of joy from the players. I'm talking about players like Douglas Ngoyi, Labo, the late Ernest Mapepa, the former chairman of Highlanders. So, it was you will see a vibe and go to the vibe. Maningi ama-moments akhona. One, ngikhumbula kwenye igame esadlala le-Dynamos e-BF laphana, and towards the last minute ngacross elinye ibhola elahlethwa nguNamo Shambira, and that sparked the whole supporters bethu bathaba kakhulu e-BF laphana. And then there's another memory that I still remember, lapho engachaya khona ikhona yaba nguMazimelele. So there are a lot of memories. I can't remember quite a lot of them, but I've just mentioned quite a few right now. I-Highlanders ilama-legends amaningi, but stand out for me is Lawrence Phiri, Douglas Ngoyi, or Ernest Mapepa. There are so many legends who are Highlanders. Opili bonke laba, they are standouts. So we also were looking at their performances. So we're also emulating to see what can we do better than them. So yeah, you are my legend for now. Mina ngumbono wami ngibona ngani ibhola leZimbabwe it can't be exciting without Highlanders. Highlanders is a very big team. Yafonya ngo-1926 and still running up to now. So I believe we must represent ibhola leZimbabwe. So mina engikubonayo ukuthi khona if there's no Highlanders or Dynamos ku-league, the league will not be exciting. So i-influence efakwa Highlanders ebholeni leZimbabwe. Mabhosa amahle, siyalimema ukuthi libuye mhla ka-22 lapha eClubhouse eHighlanders from 10 ekuseni up to 8 ntambama. Kuyabe kule a lot of activities happening here, and we will be having quite a lot of things to do with. Okunye ekobe kukhona ukuthi khona you will be also mingling up with ama players our Highlanders, old and current. So please ngicela nibuye sihlangane lapha sixoxe ngeclub yethu le.